When looking for the best seat cover for your Ram 250, you may be overwhelmed with choices. With an extensive selection of truck seat covers, it can be hard to find the one that fits your needs and is within your budget. The truth is that there are several different options when it comes to seat covers. This can make it difficult to know exactly what you want or need based on your specific situation. In this video, I will walk you through some of the most important things to consider when purchasing a seat cover for your vehicle. Whether you are looking for something that will protect your seats from spills and stains or something more stylish, there is a seat cover for you. So, let's get started. Start with the number 1. Yerdaki Car Seat Covers Full Set for Dodge Ram Fit 2009 to 2022 Pickup Truck. The Yerdaki Ram 2500 seat covers are made of high-quality faux leather which is soft, durable, and waterproof. It is easy to clean with wet towel. The airbag has enough space to stretch and will never be blocked. The seat belt slot also has been reserved. This full-set car seat covers protects your vehicle's seats from dirt, stains, and damage from everyday use. It also enhances the comfort of your ride with plush cushions that instantly puts you at ease. The soft material vibrates to make sure you feel like you're in a theater for a performance. This Yerdaki Car Seat Covers Full Set Dodge Ram Fit 2009 to 2022 Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2022 2500 and 3500 pickup truck would perfectly protect your original car seat leather from being soiled or damaged, and also upgrade your vehicle with this fashion-looking. The high-quality material is made of 100% nylon and polyester, which are easy to clean and machine washable. It also has a breathable design that provides extra comfort for your back. The step-in harness allows you to adjust the seat belt easily without having to bend down or struggle with it while sitting in the car. Number 2. Lucky Man Club D1ZGJ Ram Seat Covers Fit for 2011 to 2022, making life more convenient for you. These Ram seat covers are made from 100% waterproof high-quality faux leather material. The fabric is strong and durable. Thick sponge inside the seat cover will make it soft and comfortable. Exposing the seat belt's buckle gives you extra wearability. Install in minutes. Just remove existing seats, then put in these Ram seat covers on top of it and you are ready to go. Good choice for everyday use or long trip. The Luckerman Club D1ZGJ Ram Seat Covers Fit for 2011 to 2022 Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 Crew Quad Double Regular Mega Cab is a unique set of covers that extend to the floor and has a unique look. The seat covers with one-piece design and welded seams are very durable. Not only can it protect your seats from dog hair, dirt, and spills, it also adds style to your car with its unique design. These Ram seat covers will make the cloth seats waterproof and resistant to spills, dirt, and sweat. If you have dogs, it is super easy for you to clean the dog hair or dirt. The dog claws will not leave scratch on the faux leather. Number 3. AXU Dodge Ram Car Seat Covers for 2009 to 2022. AXU Dodge Ram Car Seat Covers Full Set Waterproof Leather Custom Fit Set Covers. However, this stylish seat covers are designed specifically for the 2009 to 2022 Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2022 2500 and 3500. Compatible with split seat and airbags. The side of seat cover is partially exposed, which is compatible with airbags for added security and reliability. It adopts waterproof and wear-resistance faux leather, anti-slip backing to ensure seat cover does not shift when in use. Work with the heated seats and easy to care and clean with a wet soft towel. Protect your car and keep your Honda seat warm and dry with this set of full leather seat covers, made from high-quality material. These covers will add a touch of classic simplicity to your interior. These covers can be heated or cooled to suit your needs. If you prefer a more modern look, these seat covers can be easily removed and washed. The material is easy to clean and maintain. It will help you protect your car seats from dirt, spills, stains, and wear and tear. This set contains 2 front seat covers with headrests that can be adjusted to fit any size of car seats. Number 4. Cars Cover Custom Dodge Ram Pickup Truck Neoprene Front Seat Covers. Protect your car seat from hot summer days by buying this set of vehicle-specific neoprene car heaters front seat covers. The 6-piece set is custom fit for your vehicle and provides convenient access to the rear seating areas. They come in 4 different color choices: black or charcoal twice as thick, gray or white half as thick, pink or purple half as thick, and red or orange for long-term protection. The headrests have integrated airbags and can hold up to 150 pounds. These covers have separate backrests which also have integrated airbags. This car cover custom pickup truck seat covers are high quality, protective car seat covers for your truck, made with neoprene materials. It provides superior comfort and luxury for the front seats of your vehicle. It's the perfect addition to protect the seats during winter seasons in your vehicle. when you need to replace or add seat covers to your truck. Look no further than Car Cover Custom Pickup Truck Seat Covers, built from automotive-grade neoprene material. This product is top quality with a solid construction. It will add protection and style look to your vehicle interior. Custom headrests with integrated seat airbags for added safety during road accidents. The seat cover set is available in many colors including black and gray sides. And lastly, the number 5. Jojoba Car Seat Covers for Dodge Ram Full Set Fit Ram 2009 to 2022. Protect your vehicle interior while stopping the annoying dirt and debris from getting into your pickup truck. Made with thick sponge layers. This durable car seat cover will keep your seats clean and fresh while still working as a high-quality airbag protection shield. The silicone bottom layer prevents sliding and protects against scratches. You can feel comfortable when using this durable car seat cover for pickup trucks that cover almost all sizes of the Dodge Ram trims. For example, Bighorn, Laramie, Limited, Lone Star, Longhorn, Rebel. The Jojoba Car Seat Cover for Dodge Ram Full Set is made of PU leather and high-quality sponge, which is harmless and durable. The bottom layer is made of silicone material that prevents slipping. You can use this car seat cover to protect your car seats from dirt, dust, and stains. It is made of high-quality PU leather, which makes it harmless and durable. Soft, waterproof, and easy to clean. It is composed of multi-layer materials. The inside layer is made of thick sponge with high resilience. The bottom layer is made of non-slip silicone material. Make you feel comfortable and soft when using this seat cover. If you're looking for some new and exciting car products to check out, be sure to head over to our channel and take a look at some of the latest reviews. We upload new videos every single day, so there's always something new for you to see. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notified when we post a new video.